Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday and I just wanted to hop on here real quick because I'm about to head out the door right now. But I wanted to check in with everybody, see how everyone's doing today on this WIP Wednesday. Share with me what you're working on in the comment section. Leave me photos in the comment section if you're on Facebook. If you're on YouTube, just leave me a comment what you're working on. I'm about to bring my crochet with me. Actually, I have this Super Saver Ombre from Red Heart Yarns in this purple color, and my crochet hook from Would Be Fancy. They're actually having a sale right now, which is ending soon, so make sure to check them out and get your Would Be Fancy crochet hooks. But I'm using an eye hook and this Super Saver Ombre yarn, and taking that along with me. I think I'm gonna start a corner to corner project, so we'll see what comes out of that. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and say hi. Tomorrow is Independence Day in America, in the USA, so I was wondering, what do you guys do for the 4th of July? Do you have family events or a barbecue or outings with the family or friends? Let me know what you do for the 4th of July. I would love to know. This year we are actually going to take it very low-key because Nasser is way too little for the 4th of July celebrations with the fireworks and everything. So we're just going to stay home, and we can actually see them, the fireworks, from our window, from our house. So it'd be nice to just stay home and see them from the inside. But I was wondering, if it does get a little too loud, I don't know how to muffle his ears, and Nasser's ears, so I was wondering if you guys had any suggestions. Let me know how I'm gonna protect his ears from the big booms of the fireworks from everybody celebrating. So let me know some suggestions here. I keep looking over here because he's actually sleeping on the couch next to me. So anyway, he's doing really well. He is growing, getting chubby, and just always keeping us on our toes. He's a super happy baby, so we're really blessed. But yeah, we're just checking in with everybody and seeing how everyone's doing today. We are headed out to the doctor because we have a follow-up appointment from the birth. So we are going to meet with the doctor soon. I'll just pan over real quick because he's so cute. Ah. He's just sleeping. His little binky is the cutest. So there's Nas. So he's just chilling over here. But yeah, I'm going to be working on a corner to corner project in the car ride over to the hospital, and we're going to do our little follow-up appointment today. And then tomorrow we're just going to take it low key and chill at home. So yeah, share your crochet projects, and I'll check in with you next week. I know this is really quick and short, but I wanted to say hi on this WIP Wednesday. Have a great rest of your week and a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Happy hooking!